What's good, motivators? So today on Chooses with 2J, I would like to show you a very interesting thing I found out on Canva, which you can also do whether you're using the Pro feature or the free feature. So basically, this is a new way that you can share your YouTube videos or your songs links on WhatsApp or email. So what we're gonna do is we're first gonna open a template. And what I suggest is you do a YouTube template, YouTube thumbnail template. So I'll be searching for YouTube thumbnail. Now I already created a thumbnail of my next video. So I'll be using that thumbnail. Let's just go to gallery. Okay, so once it's load, I will resize it to fit the background. Perfect. Now I want people to go to this video, which is my next reaction. So what I'll do is I will go to elements and search for a button. Looking now at buttons, I will choose this button because I would like to use the red feature because it's YouTube, and just move it to the left side of the screen and just resize it a bit. Now next, what you have to do is get the link of your video. So as you can see, this is the same video I would like people to go and watch. So I will copy the link and then attach the link to the button. As you can see here, there's a link button over here. That's where you put your link. Next thing what I'm going to do is create a call to action. By going to fonts, to going to text, sorry. Move the text to the button. Resize it a bit. Add my call to action, which is click here, and I will just change the color to contrast the red, and I think white would fit to this. Yes, it suits very well. Just resize it a bit more. Perfect. And the next thing, you now will attach the link to the text also, because sometimes people will either touch the button or they'll touch the text, so you don't want them to click and it doesn't work. So rather attach the link to both the text and the button. And then I don't want that stripe there, so what I'll do is I then go to format and I click the underline button, because whenever you add a link to a text, it will always add underline under it. So once you are happy with your design, you now can export it. But just remember, when you click to download, click this up button, save as, and make sure you're saving it as a PDF print. It will not work if it's not PDF. You then download. Now, as you can see, because it's mobile, it always creates this type of save file. So what I will do is, I will then go to my files, and look for the file I just created, which is the newest file. I will hold the button in, click on more, and rename it. I am using the Huawei P20, so I'm not sure how you can rename PDFs on your phone, but just look around. So this I will change it to another call to action, which is open file and click on red button. And once that is done, you can now share to your WhatsApp or your email. So I will share that now to my WhatsApp. And I will share it in this group. And once it's sent, as you can see, open file and click on red button. The person will click, open it as a PDF. And when you click here, it will open them to my video. Thank you for watching. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to know more, and I will gladly help. Remember to like and subscribe, and peace out.